can you please look up this site?
See if we can figure out something. That's called the case of the people versus Christopher Brooks Miller.
Edward Lucas on behalf of Christopher Brooks Miller, who's approaching.
Oh, we did get Charles. Got it. Okay, go ahead. Let's go on.
Scott Brooks Miller, Your Honor.
Thank you. What are we doing?
The court should be in receipt of a plea form.
I am.
There's a transfer form as well and a signed waiver. Transfer form, I think, is a financial form.
The MOU.
Yep.
I do see that. Is it going to be a drug court case?
It'll be a veterans court case.
Pardon?
Veterans court.
Okay. And we have to, well, it'll have to be, I got it. Okay. All right, very good. The court's understanding of a plea agreement is that the defendant would be pleading guilty to attempted use of self-defense spray. That would make it, the attempt would make it a 1-year misdemeanor. Upon a successful guilty plea to that charge, count 1, the 2-year would be dismissed. There is an agreement to veterans court treatment. Is that correct?
That's our understanding.
That's correct, Stephen. Thank you.
All right, very good. Sir, has he signed any advice of rights form?
Yes, it should be in that stack of paper.
Yeah, it is. All right. Can I have him raise his right hand?
You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God.
I do.
State your name.
Christopher Scott Brooks Miller.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted use of a self-defense spray. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
I do plead.
I do plea. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You plead guilty or not guilty to that charge?
Guilty.
All right. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question about any of those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right. Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody promise you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead guilty?
If I go say the rosary every day, I'll go to heaven.
Pardon?
If I say the rosary every day, I'll go to heaven. That was Sister Mott.
Was it promised in this case?
Oh, no.
Okay, that was probably promised a long time ago. All right. Anybody promise you anything else, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you in any way?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, sir, I am.
and of your own free will,
Yes, sir.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
June 11th, 2024, at the location of Waters Road near Parker Road, Lodi Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you do that makes you think that you're guilty?
Car was going to pass me,
Got out of the car.
and it was a double yellow line. I pulled in front of him so he couldn't pass, and I pulled over, and he pulled over behind me. And words were going back between us, and he said something that triggered a self-defense mechanism. I'm not in any way capable to get into a fight. So I grabbed my trusty little can of pepper spray that I keep on the visor and try to give him a squirt, but
Okay,
the car for 4.5 years, they don't work very well.
got it. Okay, and you did not have it. The device that you used, you didn't have any lawful authority to use that, you would agree?
Oh, sir.
All right, well, I asked that question badly. you would agree that you did not have lawful authority. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Counsel?
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Count one is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14-4 court. There, that's where the initial
At the
transfer will occur.
15th district.
No, I think it's what's going to happen is he's got to go to 4,
Okay.
be sentenced, and then the transfer happens.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sentencing in this matter will be
September 3rd at 9 a.m.
September 3rd, 2024, 9 a.m.
Yes.
before Judge Freshour. Will continue. And I may have asked you this before, sir. What branch?
Marine Corps, sir.
How many years?
Not quite 5.
Well, I'll say this, even doesn't define the person, this case doesn't define the person that you are. Thank you for your service. I realize because of people like you, I get to do what I get to do every day. So thank you for that. All right. Take care.
All right, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Durkis, stay right there because I think we have Charleston unmuted. It's filed by the public defender initially, an emergency motion to release or change the bond in this case. Okay. I tell you that because I'm not asking these questions, or my concern doesn't sort of just come out of a vacuum.
I was not aware of that. Every old person wants to age in their home, but that's not going to happen. I have to move him because I don't want him to get into trouble again for something that he does due to his illness. And that's what we're going to do. I just don't want anything close for him to come here again.
Just trying to think of a way to put this without you looking like a bad guy or me looking like, maybe I don't, but I just need to know this information.
We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.